Mariah Carey, where she was the star headlining on the Sunset Boulevard.
There's a bat mitzvah.
At a bat mitzvah.
On a Friday night on the Sunset Strip.
It was at a hot club, at one of the hottest clubs in town, at One Oak. But yes, it was. She was not the star. The star was the daughter of her manager, Stella.
No, Charles, she was the star. The girl was getting bat mitzvah.
You can't tell her.
Charles.
Are you going to tell little Mishka?
Are you going to tell little Mariah that she's not the star?
Come on, Mariah's got to give it up for Mishka just on one night, right?
We're told it's $1 million bat mitzvah. I have no idea whether this was $1 million or not, but it probably cost $300,000 to rent that place out on a Friday night.
On a Friday night?
Yeah, I mean, there's so many factors, and it all adds up. You know, like you said, on a Friday night to rent out One Oak is definitely expensive. The dress that she wore was a Versace dress, and that's a couple $1,000s. She also had this incredible
Wait, who, Mariah
cake.
or Mishka?
Mishka did. Also, she had this most incredible cake. It's this huge disco ball that we're told weighs 500 pounds. I mean, that was insane.
Weighed 500 pounds.
Yeah, and so also she had open bar, full buffet of food.
Open bar for the kids?
No, just for the parents.
Wait, are we going to ignore the fact that there was a bar mitzvah on a Friday night?
Well, the party was Friday night.
That's exactly right. That's not okay.
They're reform.
Well, still.
Yeah, wow.
Still, reform people celebrate.
I'm missing the
Shabbat,
point.
which is Friday night.
No, Evan,
Charlie, it's a...
Evan, this is Hollywood. Welcome.
Evan's very strict. Oy vey.
Mother would be very upset at Mishka.
Guys, what's up? Craig Allen calling from New York City. And, you know, we got to think, man, our bar mitzvah is the new thing. You know, we've seen it with Nicki Minaj, she's done one. And I mean, typically, James Packer's, you know, her husband, he's Jewish. So, you know, it means everything that she's done this. And I do want to say this, by this move by Mariah Carey, man, she's winning over J-Lo. She makes J-Lo look like Ashley Olsen right now. So this is a good move for Mariah to bring her career a little bit back.
Well, she's playing bat mitzvahs? I mean, no, good for her. And by the way, I mean, Kanye West was the entertainer, so it was great, huh?
Mini Kanye. Mini Kanye. He was just as fantastic, though, I have to say.
I'm sure.
And then Mariah did a full-blown speech. She also got behind the DJ booth at one point.
Full-blown speech?
Full-blown speech?
What's a full-blown speech?
What? Like, she did, like, a very long speech. I was impressed.
Full-blown.
After, you know, a couple champagne.